Hi friends, so for Mini Kit Monday, I thought I would put the kit together to go along with Shimelle's Best of Both Worlds kit. Now here's the thing, I know I have some of the things, but I don't have everything, so I'm going to use the stuff that I have on hand that works with it and then just fill in the rest. So for example, the first thing on her list is the Simple Stories Fall Farmhouse Collection Teal Dots, and I don't have that. Maybe if I go like this and I can show you. But what I did find, and this is new to me, it is from Pebbles Live Life Happy, and it's this rainbow stripe paper, but I'm pulling it in for this aqua tone-on-tone dot. So this is much deeper in color, this is lighter, but we're gonna go with it. Now next on her list, she has this Doodlebug Designs Sprinkles. So these look like a few different colors of yellow enamel dots. So I have these are matte. There's 3 different colors in yellow, and you know, if I have to, you know what I could do? I see it right here. I have 2 sets of these. So I'm gonna go ahead, put them both in, and we'll see if we get traction with them. Let me put those right here. Next thing on the list, oh, she got a Scrapbooking Cards Today magazine. I don't have that. All right, so for the Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home, I have most of this collection. So the first one is called Kind Hearts, and I do have that one. It's this one right here. It is adorable. So it's hearts on one side and a yellow geometric on the other. So I have that. I don't know exactly how I want to put these because I want to make sure that you can kind of see my list and my kit. So let me go out. There we go. That's going to be the ticket. All right, so we have that. Now we have the paper called Hold On, which is a cut apart, which I do have, and it has all these really great cut aparts and all the colors that we're kind of working with, as well as a charcoal and white, very skinny stripe. I think she has it pulled for this because she likes cut aparts. The next one is called You Are Stronger, and it is this one, and it is a really great either pale aqua or seafoam green with words, and the back side has these little scallop bits. Our next piece, oh, I didn't have this. It's from Doodlebug Design, and it's called Barbie Cute. So this piece right here has these cute little lemonade pictures, and then there's yellow and white stripes. So I did not have anything like that, but I did have this piece by Cartabella. It is yellow with white polka dots. It's that Cartabella texture. Oh my goodness. So it's yellow and white. It does have a small design with flowers on the back, but it's a lot different of a vibe. I'm hoping that will work. Oh, next thing she has is this Catherine Puller Designs stamp set, and it's lots of different cameras, but it also has some words like oh snap and all that. But what I do have is this Bo Bunny Say Cheese stamp set with a film, like, what do you call it? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have 3 cameras. We've got this piece as well as a film strip. That's what I was gonna say. All right, next, Pink Paisley Bloom Collection Iridescent Foil Accent Stickers. So I do have a partial set of this. I've used lots, but I still have lots left. And yeah, so there's all the iridescent pieces, and it would be great to use more of that up. The American Crafts Picnic in the Park, and it says Picnic in the Park Collection 6x12 stickers with glitter accents. I do have this full piece. Kind of excited about that. Now it's kind of interesting because it's a bit of a cream color for the backgrounds, but we will make that work. But I do have the full piece, not even used. So the next piece is a little tricky. It is from Vicki Boutin Let's Wander collection Chasing Stars, and I've used a nice amount of mine. This is the backside, which was gorgeous, but this is what I have, so hopefully she just wants to cut out a couple stars. Let me put that with my paper. Let's see, we can still see it all. Next, she had Simple Stories Kate and Ash collection, 2 elements, let's see, double-sided paper, 2x2 elements. So I was thinking she might be into it because of the cut aparts. I don't have it. I think it's really cute, but I don't have it. So I did grab another piece from the Pebbles Live Life Happy, and it's called Live Life Happy, but there's 3x4 cards, and I should be able to work that in. The back side is like a word search, which is super cute. So I have that. And now let's see. The next piece she pulled in was Pink Fresh Studios again, Hope for a New Day. I do have that, because like I said, I did pick up the entire collection. So I'm gonna move these aside. So we have this, and at this point, I might just have this right here. So we have the Hope for a New Day, and then this one is called Better Things Ahead is the next sheet. I do have that. It's this really great indigo kind of periwinkle with these pieces right here. And this is kind of cool because there's a diagonal vibe to it, or you can cut it in strips, whatever. So I have that. Move my coffee out of the way. And then she pulled in Doodlebug Designs Monochromatic Collection cardstock stickers in Swimming Pool Sunshine. I do not have those, but I do have this set by Ellie's Studio in teal that I've used a bit of, but not all of. But I figured it's close enough. Oh, and now this is where it got tricky. She pulled in this premium hybrid ink pad in Sky Group Coastal Storm, which looks like a really deep teal. I don't have anything close, so I just brought in a Distress Oxide in Peacock Feathers. Oh, she has all of these little foam square bits, and I have this set of foam mounting tape, so I will bring that in. And then what's next? Oh, the American Crafts Never Grow Up collection, Make a Wish. This one's pretty tricky. Look at this. This is what I have left of that piece of paper. So I decided to bring that, as well as the Spring Awakening piece to bring in that green tone. And then these are my back sides. Because, yeah, I used up so much of that collection. But I have that. Now for thickers, she brought in the Fitzgerald Gold Thickers, which I have right here. And this is all I have left of them, which is not a lot. I'd be slightly hard-pressed to get, I can't even believe I kept these, to get words out of them. So what I also brought in was this set, 2 sets of these gold thickers. They are in Shine On, and they're foam, and they have kind of a really pale aqua on the sides in foam. So I thought that was gorgeous. These have like a tan. So I'm gonna have those sets brought in. And then finally, she has her really great field trip specialty paper die cut and all of that. And I do not have that piece. I have never had it. So I pulled out this mandala piece. I think this was from Redefine Creative, I think. Not sure, but I think. So that will be my Mini Kit Monday kit to play along with Shimelle's new Best of Both Worlds kit collection. I don't know how to phrase it. So I pulled it together. I can't wait to see what we're going to come up with for it. And down below, I'll have the links to the other Mini Kit Monday ladies to see what they have going on for their kits this month. They do have a really great inspiration piece that I kind of veered off of and did not use. So we will definitely have different things going on, but I hope you like what I came up with. Questions or comments, leave it down below. Goodbye, friends.